I was asked a question the other day about pH in soils. So I started explaining to the client that a good pH in soil is between, say, 6 and 7.25, and this is what I've always known. And I started explaining to him, and I said, well, there's a scale. The pH scale goes from 0 all the way up to 14, and the lower the number, the more acidic it is. The higher the number, the more alkaline it is. So most of the garden plants like a pH of around 6 to 7. 7 is neutral. 7 is actually about the best. But there's a lot of plants that prefer alkaline, and there's a lot of them that prefer a little bit more acid. So it's good to look up and find out what your particular plant requires or needs and adjust the soil accordingly. And there's a lot of very simple ways of adjusting your soil. Now we're talking more than just nitrogen and good humus and good mulch and good compost to the soil. We're talking about the alkalinity level or the acidity level. Then the client asked me, they said, what does pH stand for? And I thought, I don't remember. So I had to go to the book. So here's what pH stands for. Here's what I found. What is pH? The letters refer to potential hydrogen and indicate the breakdown or ionization of water into the hydrogen ion, a positively charged atom, and an oxygen-hydrogen ion, a negatively charged molecule unit consisting of one hydrogen and one oxygen atom. Since water is a very stable compound, only a very little of this ionization actually takes place, and it goes on to all the chemistry of the soil. So I started scratching my head and I thought, do I really need to know all of that? And I thought about it and I thought, no, all I really need is a test kit, very inexpensive, and the adjustments are fairly simple. If it's too acid, you can add a little bit of lime, but you don't want to overdo it either. If you add too much lime, that can lock up a lot of the soil's ability to take care of your plants. And the long and the short of it is do a pH test. Very inexpensive, very simple. Know where you're at, and your garden will take care of you.